look so stupid right Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be doing a DIY eyelash lift. So, we will be using this lash lift from iconsign. I don't know if you're gonna see it because here it's gonna be inverted, I think, but it's okay. This is iconsign lash lift, and I will link it down below in the description box so you can purchase it if you want. I got it from Amazon, and I've decided to take this lash lift because I saw a lot of reviews, good reviews about it. Anyway, it's not my first time to use this lash lift. It's actually my third time, I think. And today I just want to film it and I just want to show you because this product is amazing. I actually use it also on my brows for, how do you call this? Laminating. Yes, for laminating my brows. So now we are just gonna use it on my lashes and I will show you. Tipid tips for quarantine. This is one of my tipid tips for quarantine and for living abroad also because it's so expensive to go to the salon here. Anyway, let's start. So now I need to be up close. I need to be up close to the camera so you can see how I will do it. This is the box, and when you open it, we'll have all this inside. And this is the glue. This is the first one that you're gonna use, the perm. Second one is this, how do you call this? Yes, this fixation. And then third is the nutrition after. And fourth, this is the cleanser. So just to remove the glue. So what we're gonna do is, I will show you now. So right now, I don't have anything. I don't have any makeup. I don't have anything on my face. I don't have anything on my lashes because this is the before. My god, don't mind all these blemishes in my face. I was breaking out. Need to work close near the camera. So as you can see now, this is the lens here where I'm looking. But on the video, you will see me looking on this side. Yes, because I will use this as a mirror. Okay? Let's start. First, I need to clean this like this. Oh my god, I don't know if I will survive like this without mirror. So first you will choose a lift pad. This is a lift pad that you're gonna use for your lashes, and I usually use medium. Fine. What we're gonna do is to put glue here. We will put glue on the lift pad here. I will only do one eye for the video. I will do the rest after. So step one is to put this glue like this, and you have to wait until it's tacky. You know, tacky, sticky, something like this. Okay, let's start. Oh my god, I cannot see. It's so hard. Gosh. My lashes are still curly. I don't want to go to the mirror. I want to show you how I do it here. Now it's so okay. Now it's on. Have to leave it for oh my god. So you need to leave it for 7 minutes. It's 6:46 right now. We're gonna wait for 7 minutes and then we will put the second solution. Okay? Just relax and wait for that 7 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is over, so I look so stupid. 10 minutes over, so we need to remove this and put the next solution. So we will remove the excess solution. We will put this fixation solution with this. I just need to put it like this. Just stick the lashes. Even helping. Now we will use this to clean the lotion from my eyelash. When you use this cleanser, it will remove also the glue from your lashes. I don't know if it works. And you just put it inside like this. Remove the and voila. This is the difference. Do you think it's huge difference? Look. And for the last one, we will put this nutrition. We will put this nutrition to just put back the nutrition. To put back the nutrients from. And wait. Okay, now. So this is without any pearl. This one. And this is with pearl. Be the judge. Okay guys, I am not gonna film the other eye, and I'm gonna do it without the camera so I can do it really quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it. Sobrang lapit ko, but I'm not gonna adjust myself anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!